Hi, to activate Google Assistant on your Xiaomi 13, go in the phone settings. From here, scroll down so you can see this Google section, select it, and now make sure that you are signed in your Google account. And after that, from the recommended, switch to all services and select Search Assistant and Voice. Now, simply go in Google Assistant tab. Here, choose Hey Google, and to activate it, we will need to simply tap on the switcher for Hey Google. And now we need to tap I agree here and activate voice match for this function. So just tap I agree, and now Hey Google is ready. We need to tap this next button. Here we can select to start saving audio or choose not now. I'm gonna choose not now, and now it is activated. Additionally, you can retrain voice match models, so you can train your assistant to recognize your voice again. For that, you would need to select this section and say out loud everything what will be displayed on the screen. Let me show you. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now Hey Google is ready. Just tap the next button and this is how it will look. Also, you can just go back, select language for speaking to your assistant, and go in lock screen, and after that, enable this assistant responses on lock screen to use Google Assistant on lock screen as well. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.